loves, it's your girl Skye, and I'm back with another video. It's been a minute since I did a video, but I'm about to just hop right back into it like I never left. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I catfish for Instagram. Yeah, because this is how I look in real life. No makeup, no nothing. Ain't even fluff my hair out today. So I'm about to show y'all and how I catfish people on Instagram, because we all do it. Don't act like you don't, because everybody do the most for the gram. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do the most for the gram, and I'm gonna get into it. So my face is already moisturized, so I'm just gonna spray some rose water on my face just to hydrate it. Yeah, so first things first, I'm going to start off with my brows. So I've been kind of battling with my brows lately because like I have a love-hate relationship with them, because sometimes I do them and they look really good, and sometimes I do them and they look like too drawn on, because I'm trying to get away from that like fake thick Instagram eyebrow trend. That's not cute to me anymore. And the way I do my brows is I do my brows backwards. So instead of doing the pencil first, I do the concealer first. And also loves, I use a concealer that's like my skin color. I don't use like a really light concealer to start off with, because it just looks too harsh. Because like my face, like, I mean, I think I'm cute, but or whatever, but like I feel like I have a really harsh face. Like my face is not very soft. So when I use like lighter colors to do my brows, it's like it makes me look like a drag queen. So, and I'm bald headed too, and I got this little boy haircut, so I can't be out here doing the most with my makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna start off by outlining my brows, like I said, doing it backwards. But yeah, I need to get them done, but I don't trust nobody. I don't trust Ling Ling and them. I can't even trust myself, because like I said, I freaking cut off the front part of my eyebrow shaving my unibrow in the shower. So yeah, don't trust me when it comes to your brows. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Perfect Brow eyebrow pencil, and I do have other things that I use for my eyebrows too, but this is like my everyday like catfish look when I want to look cute, but I don't want to look like I'm doing the most. And if you guys are wondering where I got my jersey from, I got my jersey from H&M for only $5. But yeah, I got this jersey. It was only $5, and it says pretty across the top. And I just thought it was like something cute that you can just like throw on or whatever when you don't want to do too much, but you want to do too much. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I was making videos before, like my previous videos, my brows were dark as hell. So don't judge me off of them brows. Judge me off of these new brows that I got going on. Now next, what I do is I basically conceal the areas of my face that are like darker than others, or that I want to be smoother looking than others. So like under my eyes and like around my mouth, because I like my lips to look like really juicy and perfect. So I do it around my mouth. And then I got this little burnt mark from when I was curling my bang in 6th grade. I like to cover that up too.
About the fucking flex. Zulu bangs on the track.
Okay, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of foundation, and normally I don't wear foundation every day, and I'm gonna do another video on that too. I'm gonna do a video of my no foundation everyday makeup look. But yeah, I'm just gonna put on like just a little bit of foundation, not even a lot. Take my little Q-tip, stick it in here. I'm just gonna put it right here. Normally I'll use a brush or I would just put it right on my face with the little brush that came with the tube, but it's barely any in here and I'm being cheap. And this is probably too much. I don't even use this much. I'm just gonna put some on my nose. So yeah. So now I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna contour with that. Yeah. So I just take like a little brush and I'm just gonna blend. I'm just gonna blend this out. Oh yeah. Cake it on, cake it on. Not really cake it on, but know what I mean. And normally I don't even bake this long, but today I do different. I do for you, okay? I'm doing this tutorial for y'all, so I'm just letting it sit on there, because normally I just put it on and take it right off. But yes, I'm about to get on the gram and catfish. Like, don't ask me out on a date and see me in person, because I'm gonna look a mess. I'm just kidding. I'll still be looking cute, but like, I'm just saying, like, if you catch me out, which you will, if you know me or if you see me and you catch me out, I'm gonna be looking a mess 9 times out of 10, because it's the rare occasions where I see somebody and I look cute. I always see somebody when I look a mess, and every time I go out the house, I'm not gonna be doing all this. Like, if I just want to go to Walmart, if I just want to like run somewhere, you know, real quick. So I'm gonna go back to my eyes later, but I need to dust this stuff off my face before I be looking too ghostly.
Taylor about the fucking flex. Zulu bangs on the track.
But yeah, so I'm looking cute already, and I'm not even done. But yeah, and I'm doing the most. I'm telling you, if don't nobody else want me, I want me. Shit. If nobody else will have me, I will have me. Okay? Because I love me. I'm about to go in here and use this blush. I'm going to use this shade right here. And it looks light, but when I put it on, it's actually like kind of dark. It's like way darker than that. So what do I do next? I forgot. Oh yeah, highlight. So let me tell y'all. Okay, so one day I was doing my makeup. Well, I had went out of town and I thought I packed all my makeup, and I got there and I didn't pack any highlighter. So I had to use eyeshadow for highlighter, and it was bomb as I don't know what. So I'll be using eyeshadow for freaking highlighter sometimes, because it be looking better than a real. Light or whatever, being crafty or whatever. Yeah. here I just have some brown eyeliner, and I'm just lining my bottom lid with it to make my eyes pop more. So as you can see, I done covered up all my little moles on my face, so let me remind y'all of them. So boop, boop. So now onto the lips. So what I wear 99.9% of the time on my lips is my MAC Chestnut lip liner. This beauty right here, ever since I met her, my life ain't never been the same. As well as this beauty right here, Spite lip gloss. But this is my absolute favorite lip gloss. You heard me? So when I line my lips, I don't line my lips like this. I put the pencil sideways because I don't like that harsh line, and I like my line to be thicker.
This video is brought to you by Catfish.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
Hey, Poppy. I look like a chola. Yeah, but I just take this good old creamy crack and I just slather it all on my lips. Ugh. Love this stuff.
Taylor about the fucking flex. Zulu bangs on the track.
I'll try not to wear this lip gloss in every tutorial, but it's my favorite. Alright. Put on my earrings. These earrings is almost as big as my face. But you know what they say though. The bigger the hoop. And I'm just gonna spray my face again. Make sure I'm extra. And I mean, my hair, it is what it is. I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how I style my little tapered cut. And I cut my hair myself, you guys. I did. And it looks cute. And I actually really like it. And everybody really likes my hair like this. But yeah, I'm not even gonna, yeah, I'll make another video another day on how I do my hair. But this is the complete look. Do you guys want me to add some more accessories or something? I don't got that many accessories because I'm cheap or whatever, but I'll add some little fashion glasses. Yes, honey. And this is how I catfish you niggas on the gram. You niggas on the gram. Yeah, so this is my complete look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I catfish for the gram. And I'm gonna post my selfies because of course I'm gonna take some selfies after this, so I'm gonna post my selfies of me doing the most on the end of this video, so y'all can just see what is the process of me getting ready, what goes down before the selfies I post. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I will be back with another video sooner than later. So subscribe to my channel and I'll holla at you. Bye.